Hello, I am Veena Khandelwal. In this video, we will learn to add scroll bar widget which is used for Python tkinter GUI programming. We will learn introduction to scroll bar, various scroll bar options and some examples. tkinter scroll bar widget provides a slide controller that is used to implement vertical scroll widgets such as list, box, text and canvas. You can also create horizontal scroll bars on M3 widgets. To connect a vertical scroll bar to such a widget, you have to do two things. First, set the widget's yscroll command callback to the set method of the scroll bar, and second, set the scroll bars command to the yView method of the widget. The syntax for adding a scroll bar is w is equal to scroll bar master comma option, where master represents the parent window in which you are creating the scroll bar. Option is the list of most commonly used options for this widget. These options can be used as key value pairs separated by commas. The frame widget is very important for the process of grouping and organizing other widgets in a somehow friendly way. The various scroll bar options include active background, border width, orient, command, and width. The scroll bar get methods and set methods. These are the methods which are used with the scroll bar widget. Now let us perform some example in Spyder. Here in this example, we add a vertical scroll bar. We import the tkinter module. We define a root window using root is equals to tk. We define the size of the root window using root.geometry. Then to create a vertical scroll bar, we write vertical scroll is the name of the widget. Scroll bar is that we want to create scroll bar widget, and we want to create this widget in a root window. Whatever widget we create, we need to pack this. So we want to pack it on the right side and fill is equals to y. That means we want to fill the scroll bar along height wise. Then in order to use the scroll bar, we need some widget. Here in this example, we create a text box widget. So I write t is equals to text in the root window and the height of the text box. Now the second command which we need to do with the scroll bar widget is to set the widget yscroll command callbacks to the set method of the scroll bar. So here we write t.configure yscroll command is equals to the name of the widget is vertical scroll, so vertical scroll dot set. Then we pack the text box widget inside the window. Then to insert some text in the text box widget, we define it with a variable code, and this is the text which we want to place in the text box widget. So here we insert this variable code text inside the text box widget. Then the third command for the scroll bar is to link scroll bar to the text box widget with the command config, where command is equals to t.yview. This is because we have created a vertical scroll bar. So while creating a vertical scroll bar, we write yview here and yscroll command here, and then we execute it in a loop. So when we execute this set of commands, so here we find that the text box widget, the text which was in the variable code, and the scroll bar vertical. Next, if we want to create a horizontal scroll bar, then we do it similarly, but here instead of creating vertical scroll bar which is created by default, here we need to define the orientation is equals to horizontal. So because here we want the scroll bar at the bottom side of the root window, and we want to fill the scroll bar along the x dimension, so we write scroll bar dot pack side is equals to bottom and fill is equals to x. Next, we create a text box widget. We configure the text box widget. This time, because it is a horizontal scroll bar, we write x scroll command is equals to, this is the name of the widget, horizontal scroll dot set, and if we do not want wrap, then we define wrap is equals to 1. We insert the text which is in the variable code inside the text box widget, and then we pack this text box. Then because here we have created the horizontal scroll bar, so to link scroll bar to the top text box widget, we write command is equals to t.xview. Remember that while creating a vertical scroll bar, we have written here y view, and here we have written y scroll command. So because it's a horizontal scroll bar, here we type x scroll command, and here we type x view. Now let us execute this program to get a horizontal scroll bar. So here we find that there is a scroll bar at the horizontal side. If we want to create both the horizontal and vertical scroll bar, then we write vertical scroll bar y scroll command is equals to vertical scroll dot set. We create a vertical scroll bar, define the y scroll command, then insert the text in the text box widget. Then we also define a horizontal scroll bar. While defining it, we define that its orientation is horizontal. Then we define for the horizontal x scroll command is equal to wrap is equals to none, and then we define the command is equals to t.xview for configuring the horizontal scroll bar. Now let us execute this program. So here we find two bars, one is vertical and the other is horizontal. Now in this example we have used a scroll bar with the list widget. So here we have created a list box in the root window. We have defined its height and width, and we have defined a scroll bar widget in the root window. Because it's a vertical scroll bar, we write y scroll command is equals to scroll dot set, because scroll is the name of the widget. Then we define the variables that are to be inserted into the list, and then this scroll bar has to be configured for command is equals to. Now here instead of text box there is a list, so we write ilist. The name of the list is ilist, so we write ilist dot yview. Yview is because it's a vertical scroll bar. Now let us execute this set of commands. So here we find the vertical list of items, and here is the scroll bar where we can see various items. Similarly, if we want to insert some numbers, then here we define the list box inside the root window, and here instead of some text items we fill it with a range of numbers from 0 to 500. So if we execute this, we find a list of 0 to 500 numbers. Now in all these examples you must have seen that the scroll bar is at the right side of the root window, but what we exactly want is that the scroll bar should be near the list widget. So now how to do that, let us watch it. So here in this example we have created one more frame widget also. So we define a frame widget over here, and then while placing the scroll bar we place it here in the frame instead of the root window. So and the list box is also defined inside the frame, and rest all because it's a vertical scroll bar we write y scroll command, and command is equals to yview. Because it is a list, so I write ilist or yview. When we execute this set of commands, we see that now that the scroll bar is attached to the list and not to the frame, not to the root window which was there in earlier case. Similarly, if we want to add a scroll bar to the text and to the frame widget, we can do it. Here you can see now that this time this vertical scroll bar is near the text box and not near the root window, because here we have created a frame and then placed the scroll bar inside the frame, and the text box also inside the frame. With the help of these commands, the scroll bar is attached to the frame widget and not to the root window. Thanks for watching.